Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It may be tentative, but tires do have an expiration date. There is a general consensus that most tires should be inspected, if not replaced, at about 6 years and should be absolutely be swapped out after 10 years, regardless of how much tread they have left.
Take our lead.
Tire Rack's advice is that if rain and wet roads are a concern, you should consider replacing your tires when they reach approximately 430 seconds of remaining tread depth. Obviously the tread will wear away over the life of the tire and the volume of its tread grooves will be reduced.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.